Probably you have heard about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, data science, on many related phrases. This video is for disambiguation. Hi, my name is Amir and this is April. In this channel, every week I share a new video about how to track the new field of AI. So, if you don't yet, please spend a little time to subscribe to my channel. So far, we have talked about all the things you should know about the Python and get ready to start the basics of AI. But what is AI? What is machine learning? What is deep learning? What is the differences? Okay, let's go to see them one by one. AI is a broad branch of computer science. Maybe has the most complicated definition and cover all other subjects. Artificial and intelligence. By intelligence I mean the human intelligence, and by the artificial I mean we want to simulate this intelligence into our computer systems. The goal is to create a system that works independently and intelligently, and as smart as a human being. Consider this human as the most intelligent creature that we know. This human can communicate with this human with speaking a language. This is speech recognition. This human can read and write decent messages. This is field of NLP. This human can see, detect and recognize objects in environment. This is field of computer vision. We are doing this task as a human being every day, so it looks like very easy. We can simulate these general tasks in computer systems too. This is done by a tool named AI. To understand more about what is artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, let me bring this wheel. Okay? This wheel, as you can see here, is the field that covers artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and other stuff. But what is machine learning? Machine learning consists of two words. Machine learning, that means something machine learns, something like patterns, numerical data, pictures, videos, and something like this. AI is a bigger concept to create a machine that can simulate human behavior and capabilities, whereas machine learning is subsets of AI. Let the machines to learn from data without being programmed explicitly. What do I mean by explicitly programmed? Consider some machine learning library like scikit-learn. Scikit-learn has several models like classification and regression. One of the models that we have created a video, and you can find the link in above, is polynomial regression. We can use polynomial regression to predict a simple curve like this, or predict house prices with a multiple parameters like area, number of bedrooms, and so many other parameters. It doesn't depend on your problem. You have to just select a model that best fits to your problem. As I said, in artificial intelligence, we want to simulate the human intelligence into a computer. The smallest part of our brain is a neuron. Like here, as you can see, this is a neuron in our brain. We want to simulate this neuron in our computer systems. So we translate these to neural networks. Neural networks is something like the algorithms that is done in our brain to thinking and remember things. So this is neural networks. If we grow these neural networks, increase the layers of these neural networks, we have deep learning. So I hope I helped you a little, guys, to get more familiar with this analogy in the artificial intelligence field. So if you don't have any question, please write me in the comments below. I will be answered them one by one as I can. But every field you have to choose for your career, computer vision, data science, natural language process, first you have to get familiar with the basics of machine learning and some useful tools like Keras, PyTorch, and TensorFlow. In the next videos, we are going to learn these frameworks. So do not miss the next videos. Stay tuned on the next week for the beginning of the machine learning. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, push the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.